Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a very interesting video in which I'm using these colored pencils. Let me show you. So I'm using these colored pencils to create a winged eyeliner. So of course I won't be using all three colors. Today I'm using the purple color, but I have this green and blue pencil as well. So these pencils are from Revlon. I love their colored pencils. Their colored pencils are awesome. They blend very easily. They're very creamy, and yeah, so let's go on the video and see how I create this. This will take only 2 minutes, guys. It's not that difficult, so let's learn this. So like any other eye makeup, first step is to conceal your eyelids. I've already done that, but can you see the little crease here? The concealer has settled on the crease, so I am just blending it with my fingers. Next step is to apply a bit of a powder so that there is no more creasing. So I just want to add some color on the crease because otherwise the eyes look very blank. Just adding some color here, just on the crease. I've taken a very light pink like this, almost like a nude color. This is just to make my lids more prominent instead, otherwise eyes look very flat. Adding any color on the lids because we will be using a colored liner. So as I said, I'll be using this beautiful purple liner. So this is from Revlon. Just drawing a liner, like starting from the inner corner all the way going all the way to the outer corner. That's it, just a line. Try to keep the inner corner very thin. Obviously you won't get a very sharp winged liner with this pencil, so for that the trick is to use an angular brush like this. So this is an angular brush which I usually use for my eyebrows or for the lower lash line. So I'm taking the brush and just rubbing it against the pencil so that some color comes on the bristles of my brush. It's actually too much color right now. I broke the pencil tip, so be careful with this part. Now since we have the color on our angular brush, we will create that beautiful wing here. If you find this part difficult, you can use a tape. You can put a tape here and then create this line. So not making a big wing, just small wing, just light and small strokes. Awesome. Now another thing. Some people have oily eyelids and this liner doesn't stay for too long or it gets smudged. So what you can do in that case is you take a color which is very similar to your liner. Like in this case I have this palette which has this purple color. So again the same brush, the same angular brush, I'm just dipping it in this purple shadow here. Or you can take a lighter color if you want to. It will just give you a very nice ombre effect. But I'm just taking this color right now. And so now we're gonna just put this color on top of our liner. Just dab it basically. So this will prevent your liner getting smudged. So you just need one angular brush for this look, nothing else. Going on to the other side, I'll quickly do a liner here as well. Let's quickly put some mascara and see how it looks. So like I told you, once you have your lashes in place, the liner starts looking so much more neater. in case if you don't want to do an eye makeup, this is something that you can do. It looks pretty interesting and it looks pretty nice during the daytime also, these colored liners. Guys, what do you think about this? Isn't it so easy? This is my all-time favorite because I love playing with colors, especially during summers, you know. I think a colored wing liner looks very neat yet very interesting. So yeah guys, thank you for watching this. I'll see you guys soon. Take care of yourself, take care of your skin. Bye. Stay safe and stay healthy.